Jatend duond bura mar DAP-K Eugene Wamalwa okwedo sirkand Kenya Kwanza kuom dhiyo kendo lal koganda kaluwore gi yorno ma bende oganda ok osepuodho. Maeri timore bang' ka nche nondhi Benson Sande Ndeta nomaki kendo chwale nyim do jumbe manok tok kambi mare chiwo milome ni gibiro chulo omenda maromo siling bilion 25.41 ne kambi simiti mar Bambuli. Chal ma Wamalwa wacho ni negeto chungo ja ohalano ng'iewo kambino ma simiti. Koloso e kaunti ma Busia, omedo kwedo piny owacho kuom tulo manotimore e kinde nyasi mar iko manoyuore gi jalup jatend piny manothich oko Rigathi Gachagua e kar chung' od bura ma Limuru. E kindego Olanda Yanga nolap dhoge ndogne kom ker ma pachoka ponono ni obiro laro e kinde ma yiero ma 2027.
And we have a state that is sponsoring hooliganism against their perceived competitors, economic and political. We believe the violence and hooliganism directed against Rigathi Gachagua is state-sponsored political hooliganism. We believe the arrest of Ben Ndeta is again state-sponsored hooliganism, economic hooliganism, where people are being used, the police are being used to interfere in business transactions, to arrest an investor and paint him as if he is a criminal so that he falls out of the bid and advantage is given to a foreigner from Tanzania. So leo tukiwa hapa and with the leaders here in Western, particularly where Ben Ndeta comes from, we want to condemn what is going on, the targeting of Ben Ndeta, so that they disadvantage him and they grab this deal for themselves. Leo pia wameunga mkono uamuzi wa baraza kuu la chama chetu, yani NEC, kuniidhinisha kwa mgombea wa kiti cha urais katika kinyang'anyiro cha urais tarehe 10 mwezi wa 8 2027. Hii ni heshima kubwa nimetunukiwa na hawa viongozi wa mashinani na viongozi wa chama chetu, na leo nawahakikishia ya kwamba niko tayari.